Did you know you're probably wasting hours of your week using AI the wrong way? Well, welcome to today's Explainer, where we're going to fix exactly that. We're breaking down the hidden power user features of NotebookLM.
Get this, 90%. That is the staggering number of NotebookLM users who are totally missing out on what this tool was actually built to do. Yeah, that means most of us are only using about 10% of its real capabilities. And the stakes here are absolutely massive for your daily workflow. I mean, if you're just uploading a PDF and asking a couple of basic questions, you're leaving so much productivity on the table. It's like treating a supercomputer like a cheap pocket calculator, and it's definitely costing you time. So, let's get into Section 1, the AI productivity trap, breaking the cycle. We're going to transform this tool into your personal researcher and dedicated exam coach. Moving right along to Section 2, Update 1, the ultimate AI tutor. This is where we completely rethink how you learn from audio and video. Okay, so NotebookLM makes these mind-blowing AI podcasts, right? But here's the issue. Passive listening doesn't actually help you learn really dense, complicated topics. You just tune out. So the solution is the new interactive audio mode. Imagine listening to two AI hosts discussing your uploaded docs. If you're lost, you don't hit rewind. You literally just interrupt them. You ask your question, and the AI customizes a brand new explanation on the fly. It's basically a private tutor. This perfectly shows how you can command the AI to match exactly what you need. Don't just settle for the default podcast style. Before you hit generate, tell it what you want. Say, explain this like I'm a total beginner, or tell it to turn a really dry document into an intense debate between two experts. Need it fast? Ask for a 5-minute executive summary. Need it to stick in your brain? Request a storytelling format. The exact same info becomes so much easier to digest. Now, you might want to learn from video content, but NotebookLM famously prefers text, so you can bypass this limitation entirely by just grabbing a YouTube transcript. Copy the transcript using YouTube's built-in feature and upload it directly. Instantly, any video transforms into a fully searchable knowledge base. No more scrubbing through hours of footage just to find one exact quote. All right, Section 3, Update 2, Professional Formatting Automation. Let's solve the absolute biggest headache for professionals right now. You want professional, structured outputs from AI, but you're probably wasting massive amounts of time typing the exact same formatting prompts over and over again. So the fix here is setting global custom instructions. You just do this once in the notebook settings, tell it, hey, always answer using bullet points or think like a university professor. Once that's locked in, every single response automatically follows your exact style. Automation is a real game changer here. Seriously, stop ignoring the studio panel. You can rapid-fire click your way to massive productivity. With literally one click, NotebookLM spits out study guides, mind maps, timelines, FAQs, data tables, the whole shebang. Instead of spending hours organizing information manually, your one notebook becomes an entire suite of learning resources instantly. And if you're prepping for a certification, generic AI quizzes are pretty much useless because they're just too broad. You need real, targeted practice. So instead, upload your old exams, your previous homework, and specific grading rubrics. This forces the AI to match your teacher's exact style and difficulty level, giving you practice tests that actually mirror the real thing. You can apply this exact same logic to your slide decks too. To maintain consistent branding, simply feed NotebookLM one of your old PowerPoint presentations. Tell it to clone your design structure for the new content. Instead of getting random-looking slides, it perfectly follows your existing corporate or academic style. Then, just export those clean visuals to a free tool like Canva or Magic Eraser to give it that final professional polish. Takes seconds, looks top tier. Okay, Section 4, Update 3, the Innovation Engine. We are moving way beyond basic summaries now. First up, a pro-level prompting trick. If you mix your instructions and your raw data together, the AI gets super confused. But you want highly accurate, complex analysis, right? So use markdown headings, triple backticks, or XML-style tags to clearly separate your instructions from your reference material. If you give the AI a perfectly organized filing cabinet, you're going to get drastically cleaner answers. And this is where the real magic happens. Honestly, this might be the absolute most powerful feature. Stop creating notebooks with only one type of information. Mix drastically different industries together. Throw marketing and psychology into one notebook, finance and AI, medicine and data science, business and history. Then ask the system what hidden patterns exist between these fields. You will uncover trends and discover strategies that most people literally never notice. This kind of cross-pollination is where true innovation happens.
Finally, Section 5, the big picture, your new operating system. Let's just step back and look at what this tool has actually evolved into.
It's no longer just a digital dumping ground for your text. By utilizing these hidden features, the interactive audio, the global instructions, the cross-industry pattern recognition, you're shifting from a basic note-taking app to a complete AI research operating system. It's a powerhouse workflow that is absolutely going to save you time, help you learn way faster, and dramatically increase the quality of your work.
So, here is my final question, and it's entirely for you. Which of these Notebook LM updates surprised you the most, and what are you going to try first? Are you going to test out interrupting the interactive audio hosts? Or are you going to mix two wildly different industries together to hunt for hidden patterns? Let me know in the comments below right now. Keep learning, keep building, and I will see you in the next explainer.